Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1964 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Awesome car, guys. I bought the car out of Georgia. I actually bought it from a guy. I actually bought a Cadillac from him before. Tried to buy another one from him again. He's got a big Cadillac collection. Great guy. He's out of the Georgia area. But neat car. Actually, if you remember a bright green one I had, it was a 68 a couple years ago. Came from the same Cadillac collection. But very cool car. You can see it's got the air ride suspension, four-corner air ride suspension all the way around it. Little history with this car. He's had this car just a couple of years, 3-4 years maybe. He bought it from a couple who've owned this car for over 30 years. Car was restored in 06. I do have the documentation. Had a body up restoration in 2006. Again, like I say, the people own that car for over 30 years. Now, this is what he did to it. He put the air ride on it. He put the Cadillac wires in the wide whites. He put air on it. He just went through the front end. He said all the ball joints, the entire front end, he said is brand new, and he also put vintage AC. That's the stuff he's done within the last 6 months. But again, very cool car, man. Original 429 Caddy engine in it. You can nitpick some stuff on this car, guys. This is a driver, but a very nice driver. It's got the original chrome and stainless, so you can nitpick it. You can hear he's got an electric fan on it. I love how he does the pinstriping on the cars. Again, you see a little nick in the chrome there. And again, it's got the original bumpers on it. It's actually got the original leather interior in it. So you can nitpick the chrome, guys. No doubt about it. But I'll tell you what, if you're looking for just a nice driver, you're going to love the way this car hits the road. Original color combo. This is, oh man, challenged my memory here. Turino turquoise is this the original color for the car. Factory black leather interior. Neat car, man. A lot of fun to drive. Again, that is a factory black leather interior in it. So again, you can see it's definitely got some wear marks in it. The top was replaced in 06. It's a white top. We'll put that up. It's actually a pretty day here today. I dig this car, man. These kind of cars right here are so much fun, man. You want to talk about a conversation piece? These things just drive people crazy. We got a light out on this. I got a couple little lights we're gonna have to mess with on this car. Unfortunately, with everything being shut down right now, I can't have my guys here at the shop, so I think we got a brake light out on that side. I think we got a turn signal out or something. Again, you can see some marks on the chrome. Look how flat that thing is down the sides. Got the fender skirts. Those are Diamondback wide white radials. And again, it's got the Cadillac wires on it. We'll show you those. I think he said he's got $3,500 to $4,000 in wheels and tires on this thing. Four-corner air ride. Look how low that thing sits. Of course, that's all the way down. You obviously can't drive it like that. Sorry, just a little dirt on there. Super cool, man. Just really a cool car. Again, it does have the original Cadillac 429 engine, 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It's power steering, power brakes, brand new vintage AC. Matter of fact, we're going to have that charged. He told me that. I can manually get it to kick on, but it really needs a good charge. Aluminum radiator. It's got dual electric fans, 400 turbohydramatic trans. See, it's got the original Cadillac valve covers, factory air cleaner. That's a pretty car right there. Super cool car. Original trim tag. You got, I don't know if you guys can hear the people hooting as they go by. That's the kind of stuff. That's why I love these kind of cars, man. They're so much fun. Eight pillar chrome's really nice. Just a remote mirror, which is cool. A lot of options. Power windows, power seat, tilt wheel, power seat works. All the power windows work. Looks like the original sill plates on the car. Factory power bench seat. Nathan's flipped back that boot. We'll show you that. Tilt wheel. Again, you can kind of nitpick the dash. You can definitely detail that. Again, steady eddy's off right now. $49.89 on the odometer. That's since the car's been restored. Again, power top, dual exhaust, factory rear end. Everybody loves these cars, man. A little dust there, guys. Factory jack with spare. There's your air ride pump. Here's your original Georgia plate. You put an extra set of belts and everything for the car. Again, this is all the receipts on the restoration. Even the trunk light still works. Really cool car. We got it low here, but I got it up underneath and put. It's got brand new dual exhaust. Like I said, I got you some pictures of the bottom of the car. It's just a cool, cool car, man. Your air rides in here. Again, it's all four corner. Go ahead, Nathan, you can fire it up. He's got that aftermarket drink carrier there. Start to raise it up too, Nathan. This is a good car, man. Nice and quiet like a Caddy should be. And it's all four corner. Not sure Nathan knows exactly how to operate that. The car runs and drives great. That's a good looking car right there. Gauges work. Fuel gauge acts up every now and then. He did tell me that. And again, it's not, but it does, it kind of has a mind of its own. Blower motor works. Your power windows work. Power seat works. Again, your power windows work. You can go ahead and start putting your top up real quick. Top's got one little tiny tear. Again, they replaced that in 06. That's good, Nathan. Yep, that's good. Go ahead and we got, yeah, I don't know if you can see, I don't know if you can even see the brake lights right now, but we got a brake light on this side out, and we got, there we go, there's a, yeah. So we got, I think one of the little lights, they're hard to see anyways with everything behind us. Yeah. You got your turn signal on over here, Nathan. Give it a rev. You know, I can't say I ever checked the radio. Radio work? Yep. It does. Flip it on. Factory AM, is it factory AM FM?
You won't be able to hear it.
Oh, it's not real loud, but it does work.
Yep.
Blower motor does work. These work. Yeah, you can see that? Hopefully you can see that. The sun's right behind us. It's on, yeah. Then I think we got a turn, yeah, brights, and I think we got a turn signal out on this side. Yeah, the right turn signal is out, and we got a left brake light out. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way, every time I post one of these cars, you can get a notification. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. There's something in the road. Have a great day, guys.